What up mga solid subscribers? Okay guys, manonood po tayo ng update sa ating mahaliman, no? So a very big shoutout po kay SB Edits, no? Kanya po itong video na ating papanoorin, no? So bago ko simulan itong video to, no? Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell para alam niyo po pag ako nag-release ng bagong video, no? So yun guys, panoorin na po natin ito. Let's go.
As you can see on the picture uploaded by Miss Ana Puno on Onesie is making back for Simula at Wakas, and we will be expecting it to give you the updates.
Game.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19, and we will be expecting a wilder and grandier SB19 comeback for Simula at Wakas, as SB19 and Onesie is making the preparation reach globally. As you can see on the picture uploaded by Miss Ana Puno on Instagram, CEO of Star Media Entertainment, we can see Onesie staff as well as Miss Ana on the Live Nation Philippines office. And hours ago, SB19's profile is now listed and available on Live Nation's website. For those who don't know, Live Nation is a music or concert promoter and has direct partnership on Ticketmaster in US. They have wide engagement internationally, and updates for concerts are widely available for fans and the general public, giving easier access for artists' upcoming concert and live events.
Oh, so parang meron na po tayong nararamdaman, no? Meron tayong nararamdaman, guys, na international talaga, guys. International, talagang international comeback to ng SB19, no? Wow! So, dyan excited? Taas kamay dyan. Let's go. Taas kamay lahat, guys, na. And kahit sino may excited po dyan, guys, na. Kasi, alam mo yun, eto na ulit eh. Although alam natin may time na po talaga na hindi nagtuloy-tuloy yung SB19, no? Iba pa rin kasi talaga yung era ng yung sa Watt, di ba? Nagtuloy-tuloy yun, di ba? Pero gusto natin lahat na yung comeback ng SB19 is solido, no? Wow. I think dahil nangyari yun, no? Eto lang, this is just my own theory or theory. This is my theory, no? Siguro kaya yung SB19 nung last year na hindi sila ganun kapukpukan. Grabe na, hindi ganun kapukpukan. Hindi, unlike po nung sa Watt, diba? Kasi diba nung sa Watt era nila, guys, na grabe, like tuloy-tuloy yung kanta nila, yung pag-release ng kanta, yung projects, lahat. Although na ngayon naman tuloy-tuloy, no? Pero I think nagfo-focus po sila sa pag-gain ng pangalan po ng SB19, which is nalaman na, nung nakaraan nga, guys, diba? Nakuha na ng SB19 yung pangalan, no? Okay. Nakuha na po nila, no? Although nasa kanila talaga yun, pero yung rights no, 'di ba? Nasa Onesie Entertainment, which is nasa kanilang company na po mismo, 'di ba? Ayun na. I think yun yung pinaghahandaan nila, ay yung inaasikaso nila, no? Kaya medyo hindi ganun kaano yung ganap ng SB19. Although na solid pa rin, no? Pero more on solo events sila, na mapansin niyo, 'di ba? Pero ngayon, I think SB19 na solido na po talaga sila, no? From this year 2025, no, 'di ba? So lahat tayo abangan po natin 'yun. I think this will be a blast po talaga, no? Talagang meron tayong makikita. Ito pang international na awards nila, no? Awards tuloy. International na concert nila, no? I think ito na po yung magiging simula, no? So grabe, ang galing mag-research ng 18, no? Ang galing nilang mag-ano po talaga, no? And nakikita nila yung mga ganong klaseng bagay, no? Ang galing, sobrang galing ng 18, no? And abangan po natin yung mga susunod na hakbang ng SB19, susunod na hakbang ng Onesie Entertainment, no? I think solido po itong 2025. Abangan natin yan, okay?
So as early as now, we could only imagine how grand and big this comeback is. So I hope that when SB19 officially announced and dropped the details of the SAO comeback, we all can be more active again, most especially on streaming here on YouTube and Spotify. And of course, we wouldn't end there, as we will be giving you more SB19 related achievements and happenings for this update. First, GMA announced that Josh Collins' Lost and Found album concert will be available on your TV screen this coming January 26, Sunday, starting at 2 p.m. on GMA Network. So 18, most especially to BBQs, tune in for this date and let's all watch the replayed concert of Josh Collins' Lost and Found album concert.
Ang solid nito, guys, no? Talagang binigyan po ng spot si Josh ng GMA, no? A very big, alam niyo na, GMA, no? A very big network company yan sa sa ating bansa, no. Sila na po yung for me, sila na yung pinakamalaking gawa ng ABS-CBN, di ba, nagsara, no. So ang solid naman nito, guys. So catch it on screen, watch Just Collins Lost and Found album concert TV special January 26, Sunday 2 PM on GMA, no. Ang solid dun, guys, no, di ba? That's a treat sa lahat ng sumusuporta talaga sa SB19. Syempre kay Josh sa 18, no. Di ba, ang angas nun. Galing na. Ang galing ng GMA dito. Galing.
Next, SB19, Pablo, and most especially Style, is dominating GV 99.1's top 10 most requested of this week for January 14 to 16. Let's start with Pablo's Butata at number 10, SB19's I Want You at number 9, Pablo's Droning in the Water at number 7, Styles Anino at number 6, Pablo's The Boy Who Cried Wolf at number 5, Styles Room at number 4, Styles Classic at number 3, and Styles Di Ko Masabi dominating the number 1 spot for this chart update.
Tignan nyo, guys, Butata number 10, isa. I Want You, SB19 pangalawa, and then Drowning in the Water pangatlo ni Pablo, and then Anino Stel, okay, The Boy Who Cried Wolf panlima, Room 6, Classic 2, Stel 7. Ay, tama ba? Bilangin na natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So, dalawa lang dito yung hindi SB19. Grabe naman. Namigay naman po kayo. Grabe, no? Talagang denominated ng SB19 yung mga yung mga ganyang klaseng mga platforms, no? I-denominate na po talaga nila, no? And, wow. Solid.
Next, we will go on with our last achievement, this time an international achievement, as Did You Know 18 that SB19 x Glock 9's Kalakal is one of the 100 songs listed on the Mixtape Asia playlist curated by Amazon Music experts from Amazon Music. Kalakal is also the only Filipino and P-pop song included on this playlist as of now.
Wow!
Congratulations SB19X18 and cheers for more SB19 achievements to come. In X Glock.
Alam nyo, guys, mapabilang lang po kayo dyan, no? Mapabilang lang po kayo, no? Alam nyo, nasa mapa na po kayo nyan, no? Nasa mapa na kayo. Parang nasa mapa ng SB19. Parang gano'n. Although alam natin, di ba? Pero iba pa rin, guys, yung pag na-appreciate tayo ng sunod-sunod po talaga, no? Like, sunod-sunod. Like, kunyari, di ba, meron kasi tayo mga sinasabi na one-hit wonder lang po, no? Di ba? Pero ang SB19 kasi, 100 hit wonder sila, or 1,000 or 1 million hit wonder, parang gano'n, di ba? May gano'n silang klaseng momento. Talagang, hindi sila sumikat ng isang beses lang, no? Like, kunyari, di ba, naalala nyo yung pumutok sila sa Go Up Dance Practice, di ba? Then, sa Go Up, and hindi lang sila dun nakilala, no? Like, yun na, doon na. Tapos, bumaba na ulit, bumagsak na, di ba? Hindi, ang ginawa ng SB19 is, inalagaan nila yon. Like, hindi sila nakontento. Like, uy, okay, sige, nagana tayo, sumikat na yung natin. Like, napapansin na tayo, no? Hindi pa tumatapos kasi mas malayo pa po ang ating mga gustong abutin, no? So, tuloy-tuloy pa tayo, no? Kasi ganun yung goal nila. Hindi naman kasi hangad ng SB19 na sumikat lang, no? Ang gusto po kasi nila talaga na is yung makita yung yung makita yung talents nila, di ba, no? Although na alam natin, no, pwede rin na gustong sumikat, no? Pero ang pinakamagandang term dun is gusto nilang ma-appreciate ng mga tao yung talentong meron sila. Gusto ma-appreciate ng mga tao yung musikang meron sila, no, di ba? So, ayun naman yung gusto nating makita sa SB19, no? Na magtuloy-tuloy sila, suportahanan sila dahil yung talento meron sila, guys. That's very unique po talaga, guys. No? That's very unique. Talagang hindi mo matatawaran, no? Siyempre, isang grupo na sila na po halos gumagawa ng kanta. Hindi pala halos, eh. Sila talaga gumagawa ng kanta nila, no? Okay, sige, meron mga gumagawa ng music nila. Like, di ba, may gumagawa ng music na. Pero hands-on sila, no? Like, songwriting si Pablo, paggawa ng steps si Stel. Although alam natin may choreographer na sila, pero hands-on pa rin sila, and then si Pablo, like brainstorming sila, si Justin sa pagdidirect, di ba? Ang galing, napakagaling, and Josh and Ken, no, may kanya-kanya silang na bibigay sa grupo, no, nako-contribute, no. So grabe, kumikilos sila, no. Hindi sila katulad ng ibang artist or grupo or mga kung ano man, no, na talagang ibibigay na lang sa kanila. Like, isusubo na lang sa kanila. Sorry for the term, pero yung isusubo na lang sa kanila. Yung SB19, hindi. Mula sa paggawa ng kung ano-ano man. Like, kunyari, as a kusinero or as a chef, no? Sila yung bumibili ng ingredients. Sila yung nagluluto. Sila yung naghihiwa ng mga like yung mga gulay or mga kung ano man, basta nagpe-prepare, and then syempre sila rin po yung aani and sila rin po yung kakain nun dahil po deserve nila yun, sila yung naghihirap dun eh, hindi yun to the point na upo ka lang, okay, andyan na yung pagkain, di ba? Ang SB natin hindi, sila lahat gagawa dahil sila po talaga, believe sila, I mean, mas gusto na lang sila yung gumawa kasi mas alam nila kung ano po yung kaya nila ipakita, no, di ba? So, and meron kasi talaga silang talent na. Okay guys, I hope na na-enjoy natin itong video to na as much as I do. So maraming salamat pa na yung video. As always, this is me, Point of Pet, signing out. Peace! Let's G.